Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Nama saya MOHD.HAFFIZ IZZAT bin RAMZI, mewakili daripada grup 7. Hari ini saya akan try propose satu bisnes yang boleh diimprovekan, iaitu melalui vending machine. Iaitu vending machine ni kita orang try to improve melalui online stock alert for vending machine. Okay, ahli grup kami terdiri daripada 4 orang, iaitu ketua kami Muhammad Irfan HAZWAN bin HASLAN, diikuti oleh AMIRUL ASHRAF bin AZMAN, dan saya sendiri, dan akhir sekali Muhammad HAIREE bin SHAHRIR. Seperti yang kita maklum, vending machine yang ada dekat Malaysia ni ianya tidak mempunyai teknologi yang boleh memberitahu kuantiti sebenar ataupun kuantiti yang ada dalam mesin tersebut pada sesuatu masa. Dan sekiranya kuantiti ataupun barangan di dalam vending machine itu telah habis, pengusaha vending machine tidak dapat tahu sama ada ianya kosong ataupun tak, yang akhirnya mengakibatkan putaran duit itu semakin lambat kerana customer tidak dapat membeli barang yang mereka inginkan. Okay, our solution is to install electronic sensor and control module that can calculate quantities of the goods of each container in the machine, and the data collected will be delivered to the owner smartphone through developed application, yang mana kita orang akan collab dengan sebuah syarikat untuk mencipta satu aplikasi yang boleh ataupun mampu untuk memberi informasi ke telefon pengusaha vending machine. Okay, antara advantage idea ini adalah owner is well informed on quantities of the good in the machine, then owner able to refill the goods before it runs out in the machine, hence customer can continuously buy the wanted goods. Okay, for technology background, the sensor, device and gateway and platform are used in IoT technology to improve business method and solution. The advantages of using this IoT technology is increase asset utilization by monitoring equipment with the sensor. Then the IoT apps increase business opportunities by improving business module and serve quality. Okay, in the previous related project, the vending machine not provide the information about the status of quantity of item in the vending machine. We improved the project by adding new technology where we use IoT at vending machine, such as device and sensor are connected using the wireless network like GPS, LAN and other to inform the vending machine owner on smartphone. Okay, for the ecosystem of the idea, the vending machine and the application will be developed by the developer. Then the plan or blueprint will be sent to manufacturer to manufacture the vending machine, and when it's done, it will be distributed by distributor to the agent, and lastly will be sold to the user, which is the vending machine owner, to create profit by providing good to customer. And as we can see on the figure shown, we can see the flow of cash from the customer to the manufacturer, also the flow of supply chain from the manufacturer to the vending machine owner. Okay, next, we expecting the vending machine to be collab or be placed on such as shopping mall, food court, food sport center, any recreation center, also entertainment center. And that's all from us. Thank you.